Okay, we get here the Turner Sidekick 100. It's designed for AM and sideband use. If you go to the Turner history website, you can see that the Turner 100, or the Turner Sidekick 100, I should say, as I don't know if you can read it there. This was the model before the Super Sidekick. Primarily, it's designed for sideband use. Works well on AM, but really shines on sideband. See, it's got the chrome head. Somebody went and stripped all the paint off. Originally, this microphone was black with the chrome head, just like the Super Sidekick. Anyway, somebody went and put some buttons here. It was used on the Yaesu, the guy I got it off of. And it's got a nice long mic cord here. Look at how long it is here. You can see it stretching all the way up here. Really long mic cord on it. It's brand new. And I don't have a Yaesu 8-pin, which was what was on it. Where is it? That's not it. There we go. This is one we took off, a Yaesu 8-pin. So I didn't have a Yaesu with a round 8-pin. The Yaesu I have is the FT101E, which is a 4-pin, and I also have the FT897D, which is a modular plug. So we couldn't test it with that. So what I did was I went and wired a 5-pin that we just put on here. You can see that, all nice, and wired on to a 5-pin. And the code I chose to use, since it has the up and down buttons on there, was for my President Lincoln, which is the same as an HR2510. It has the channel up and down on it. So I'm going to go ahead and test that on the radio now. But John, if you'd be interested in this microphone here, I'd be happy to sell it to you at a reasonable price. And go ahead and I would wire it for a your RCI 2995, which I should have a couple of plugs hanging around for that. But I'm going to go ahead and test that, and we'll be running this tonight on my President Lincoln HR2510. So there you go, and you can see the bottom of the microphone. It's really in good condition. Somebody took good care of it. Why they took the paint off it, I don't know. Maybe it was a bad paint job. Was probably going to shit, and they just stripped it right off. But so it's down to bare metal. So you could either paint it or keep it like that, whatever you prefer. But microphone is in real good condition. The head is not loose. It's real tight. And so I didn't have to tighten up the head at all. Usually with these turners you have to go and tighten up the microphone head on it, which is a real pain in the ass because you have a decal on the back here, and you have to take a razor blade and go around that very carefully without cutting your finger. And behind that is a screw. And once you take the screw off, there's another set screw in there, a real small one that tightens up the head. This one here didn't have that problem, so I didn't have to even monkey around with that. But there you go, the Turner Sidekick 100 AM sideband microphone.